Hello friends, welcome back to the video series on Command Line Interface or CLI in Linux. In this video, we will discuss on the command mkdir. So what mkdir command does? Mkdir is used in Linux to create the directories. Let's open the terminal. What is the syntax of the mkdir? Mkdir, then the name of the directory we want to create. So at that moment, we are navigating to a new directory. Let's type pwd. We are in the home directory of the user Suman Das. So I am navigating to the desktop folder. Then from the desktop folder, we have another one directory, that is cat test. So I am navigating to the cat test. Using pwd, we can check it. Now ls. There is practically no directory. We can type -l. We can check it also in the long format. In the cat test directory, there is no directory. So using mkdir, we can now create a new directory, and I am giving the name of the directory as new dir. We can check it also using the file manager. Let's desktop and then the cat test, and then here no directory is present. So when I press enter, the new directory would be created, and here we can check the new directory has been created. So mkdir is used to create a new directory. Now suppose we want to create a subdirectory under new directory. So what should we type? Mkdir, then the name of the directory, that is new dir, and then suppose the name of the new subdirectory is Suman. Press enter. No error found. We can check here also that the Suman subdirectory has been created. So in the same way, suppose we want to create a directory structure. So suppose at that moment mkdir, then a new directory name, suppose new dir 1, and then the subdirectory Suman1 we want to create. Press enter. What happens? At that moment the error occurs because cannot create directory, the new directory 1/Suman1. No such file or directory. That means as the new dir 1, that directory is not present, mkdir command cannot create the subdirectory Suman1 at that case. So how we can create the subdirectory or the directory structure where the directory or the parent directory is also not present? Press Ctrl L to clear the terminal, and once again I am typing the same and the error occurs. So in that case we can use the flag with the mkdir command, and that one is mkdir -parents. Then the new dir1/Suman1. Press enter, and now new dir1 has been created, and along with the subdirectory, that is Suman1. In place of --parents, we can also use -p. Here I am changing the command or the flag -p, then a new directory, that is 2. and Sumon 2. Press enter. Let's check what happens. Same, the new dit 2 has been created along with the subdirectory Sumon 2. If we want to create another one with another subdirectory under Sumon 2, so here we can suppose creating a new directory, new dit 3, then Sumon 3, then suppose Dishan 3. Press enter. Here also we can check new directory 3 has been created. Under this the subdirectory Sumon 3 has been created, and under this the Dishan 3 directory has been created. So using -p or minus parents, that flag with the mkdir command, we can create the directory structure. Now suppose we want to create more than one directory under one directory or using the mkdir command. Let's start here in the cat test directory. So here we can use mkdir, then the curly brace and then a comma blank b comma blank c. So what the error occurs, let's check at first. Press enter. Here we can see the directory name is curly brace a comma then the b comma and then the c curly brace, but that was not our desirable directory names. So in that case the blank should not be. Suppose here once again I am using the command mkdir, then the curly brace, suppose at that moment giving the name of the directory as aa comma then no blank, then bb comma then cc, and now press enter. And here we can check the directory aa has been created, directory bb has been created, and directory cc has been created. So create more than one directory, we can use the curly brace and then the name of the directories we want and then comma, and between the directory names there should not be any blank like that. So that is the way we can use the mkdir command in Linux. If we want to check what are the more options available with the mkdir command, same as we can use the manual of the mkdir command. Same, man and then mkdir. Press enter. Sorry, at that moment that is mkdir. So that is man mkdir. Press enter, and that is the manual of the mkdir command. To exit from the manual, press Q. Then type clear to clear the terminal. If you find this video useful, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.